Welcome to our tutorial on creating a post from the navigation bar on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps to share your content with your followers. To get started, open Twitter on your PC and navigate to the navigation bar. Select the post button in the navigation bar to begin composing your post. You have the option to enrich your post by including up to 4 photos, a GIF, or a video to make your content visually appealing. Customize your post with media elements to engage your audience and enhance the impact of your message. Once you've curated your post and added any desired media, review it to ensure it conveys your intended message effectively. Finally, click the Post button to share your tweet with your followers and post it to your profile for your audience to see. By following these steps, you can seamlessly create and share posts from the navigation bar on Twitter using your PC. Utilize visuals and multimedia to captivate your audience and make your posts stand out on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide empowers you to leverage Twitter effectively to connect with your followers and share compelling content. Start posting today to elevate your online presence and engage with your audience in meaningful ways.